This girl was about to win a bicycle race, but at that very moment, her bike broke down. Her friend left her own bike aside and went to help her fix it, even if it meant losing the chance to win the race. She thought that this boy would also stop to help them, but he didn't even look at them and sped up to win. However, when he looked back, he felt very bad. He left his bike and put the finish line tape back in place. He went to help them, and although they couldn't repair the bike, together the three of them managed to get the girl across the finish line and win the race. If you think they did the right thing, leave a like and subscribe.